understanding RS-GIS and geography. In this video, I discussed how you can merge 3 columns into a single column. What will be the process to merge 3 columns into a single column in MS Excel? This is very useful for you, so see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel, Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. You can see degree, minute, seconds value are given in 3 different column, and if you want to merge these 3 value into a single pixel, you need to write 50 degree, 10 minutes and 40 seconds. For that, what will be the process? So first of all, I want to create one new column, and this column I want to 3 this symbol. Why I'll this 3 symbol we will understand at the end of this video. And after giving this 3, 2 will be visible. Okay, and the formula to merge these pixels are equal to concate, then this comma, within this colon, degree, alt 167 degree, and comma again this value, and then comma and minute symbol, and comma again this value, and comma again this. See that? And you need to drag this all. See that this degree, minute, seconds value is converted to this. Okay, this video is very unique video in YouTube, so please like this video, share among your friends, and please subscribe this channel. Click on bell icon to get all the notification of new videos from my channel. I want to request you, please subscribe this channel, Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much.